living in the desert. Living in the desert يعني جيانا الصحراء دجولا. Living in the desert is very different from living in the city. Living in the desert جيانا الصحراء is very different قالك جدايا from living in the city جيانا باجر. But people still cook. ليه مروف خوارنا خوشيتكن. Travel سافرن and go to school. Urchina madrasa. Most desert people eat bread, porridge, milk, cheese, and food from desert plants. مروفي صحراوي خوارناوا نانا وشيرة بانيرة وخوارني كوجين شينكايا صحراي دركبي قلاشيان قياي صحراي. They cook their food on a fire outside their home. They cook their food on a fire. لويدي خوارنا خوال لسر ايجر تشيركن on a fire outside their home. درفي مالاخوا. Dates grow well in desert. Dates grow well in desert يعني خرمجي لصحراء شيدبن. Dates with cheese is traditional Tauric food. خرما و بانير خوارنا كوايات تقليدية جبو الدحالاتي طنقدا. Today many desert people drive SUVs, but camels are better for traveling across sand. Today many desert ايرو قالك مروفي صحراوي people driving SUVs أبايا سياراتي دفع رباعي رد بيجن أبي بهرشاد تكري عرباوا سياراوا دزيفرن يبقوت دبيجن SUVs but camel are better for traveling ليه اقدفه بهترن باشترى جبو سفرة across sand دناف صحراء دناف رمليدا. Camels can travel more than 40 kilometers in a day. كامل دفه دكاري بسافري دروجي ده بهتري 40 كيلومتر 40 كيلومتر in a day روجانا دكاري بهتري 40 كيلومتر بسافري. Camels can travel more than 40 kilometers in a day. They are strong animal. حيوانك قلقي قوي strong قوينا animals حيوانا they are يعني دفه حيواني قلقي قوينا. Desert people can use camels to carry food, tent and other things from their homes. كامل دفه دكارن راجن خوارني وكون وقلق تشيدي جمالي و A long time ago بري كم صالة دمي باردة only few desert children went to school. قالك هندك جا زاروك الصحراوي يقول شولا دجين دجونا مدرسة. But this is changing. Few desert only a long time ago only a few desert children went to school, but this is changing. In the desert in Australia, للصحراء Australia, aborigines are building a new school. aborigines يعني سكانة أصليين in the desert in Australia, Chole Australia, aborigines are building new school. Building avakarna new school Dabistani Nuna. Students speak their own language طلاب الويدي الزماني خوي أصلي دايكي دخوينن and they also learn English والويدي خوي يمكن زماني إنجليزي students Khondavan speak their own language as mani khotkhwen and they also learn English learn هنكرنا إنجليزية learn English يعني هنكرنا إنجليزي living in the desert أبو درسا living in the desert بكرديز باورم باش بو هيفي دارمون جيفي دبكن thank you very much وزور سباس